Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how share allotment will work. So just have a look. So from the master setup I will go to the company. Here I will select Vittal and Company. So here you can see I have added 50,000 as the capital of the company. Now let's go to the customer all list. So I will just refresh from here. You can see I have created one member and one is the director. Now let's search the director from the search bar F-1. So from the star icon I will go to the share allotment page, and if I refresh here there is no records. So from here the share allotment, the company wants to allot the shares, let's say 25,000 to the director. So per value 10, market value 10. So here 25,000 I will just write down, and the certificate is C1 to partner. Now as on this date, from cash or bank I will select cash and just save. So the company has allotted share to the director 25,000. So if I go to the business summary dashboard, so here you can see that 2,50,000 is the cash now. Now I will search the member F-2 and let's go to the share allotment page. So here you can see there is no records to the member. Now we can go to the transfer share, and here I will select F-1. So here you can see the director has 25,000 shares. Now in share allotment I will select 10,000 shares per value 10 and the market value will be 15. Now you can see the 50,000 is the premium, that is the profit of the director. So this is the, here I will just write down 10,000 shares here is H1 certificate to member. Now here I will select cash and just save. So I have saved. Now let's go and search the F-1. So here the director, let's go to the share allotment. So if I refresh now, here you can see the director has 25,000 shares, but he has issued to the transfer to the member 10,000. Now the balance is 15,000 only. So if I go search the F-2, this is the member, and if I go to the share allotment and refresh, so here you can see the member has now 10,000 shares. The balance is 10,000. So this type we can transfer shares from one member to another. Company can issue shares to the directors in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.